Welcome back, everyone. The Samsung Galaxy A52 came out not that long ago. I actually think it was quite a bit of time ago, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, this device, as most of you know, is pretty much Samsung's, more budget tier device, and I think they make more money from their budget tier device than their more expensive devices. Okay, I realized that probably was not going to work out that well, so let's go ahead and drop this out. And this device actually does look to be like a pretty decent device overall from some reviews and some comparisons I've seen. So first of all, you have the standard box here, nothing really in the inside, just some standard documentation, nothing else super crazy. Now you have the phone itself, which I'm really happy to see. And inside, you can see that we have both the charging block and the cable, which is very strange. I don't know why, with I think some other Samsung devices, they just threw in the specific, cable and not the charging block. Makes absolutely no sense that they do it on a cheaper phone. But here you have the device itself. And looking around, I mean, first of all, taking this stuff off, I'm always surprised to see they always throw this type of, documentation or whatever this is on the front of it. I'm not 100% too sure how you go ahead and, untake this thing off. Okay, there we go. That was a horrible process. Now we actually have the Samsung Galaxy A52 in hand. Now looking around this device, I'll go ahead and boot it up. You can see that we do have, I think, an OLED display on the front, which is beautiful. USB Type-C port on the bottom as well as a headphone jack. On the side, you do have, I think this is this actually feels like aluminum, which feels pretty good. Maybe it's plastic, but it's a pretty good feeling plastic. And on the back, you can see we do have our little plastic frosted back on it, and you have like this quadruple camera setup, which is crazy. Now the phone itself still feels actually pretty good. It feels almost the same thing as something like a Galaxy S21. I think the back of this, I don't know, but I will tell you, this camera module, the way it kind of bleeds in, is something I'm really happy to see. This looks actually very, very good, and it almost looks like it's flush with the bottom. So hopefully Samsung does this with their more up-to-date models, something like a Galaxy S22 or something. Now the screen itself looks pretty good as well. I must have changed the language. And you do have that higher refresh rate on the panel, I think, too. I think at least it looks like it. And I'll definitely tell you, this phone for the price tag is something that's actually pretty impressive. I like these types of phones. I love their Galaxy A series of devices. And I will probably say at the end of the day, this phone is going to be completely worth it for so many different reasons. And I'm going to have a bunch of comparisons and a bunch of reviews coming out soon, so keep a lock down on the channel so you guys don't miss that. But that's pretty much a quick little unboxing of this specific phone. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.